This is a freedom of religion case or religious exercise case. This involves a 40-foot tall concrete cross not far from here in Washington, in the Washington suburb of Bladensburg, Maryland. And by a 7-2 vote, the Supreme Court said that cross can stand. Now, it's known as the Peace Cross. It was put up to honor World War I dead, and it is in the shape of a giant cross. And a group sued, saying, well, this amounts to a government endorsement of religion, because the cross is now maintained by the county and sits on county land in a busy traffic interchange. And so this group said this is a government endorsement of religion. This is the county saying we're all about Christianity. But today, by a 7-2 vote, with Justices Sotomayor and Ginsburg dissenting, the court said this cross can stand because it is a symbol of sacrifice. It's not primarily a religious symbol. It's not primarily a Christian symbol. It's primarily a symbol of sacrifice. Now, this is what the state had argued, the state of Maryland, and this is what the American Legion had argued in defending the cross, saying that the cross, in essence, was the symbol of sacrifice in World War I. Think of the poem about Flanders Fields, where the poppies grow, the crosses row by row, that it was a symbol of sacrifice for all religions. Justice Ginsburg, in her dissent, I'm just looking at it briefly, says,
please, yeah.
There's no doubt that it's all about Christianity. This adds to, frankly, a muddle of the Supreme Court's views on what constitutes state endorsement of religion, because the court has now said this cross can stand because it's primarily a symbol of sacrifice. You can have Ten Commandment monuments if there are other monuments in place. You can open legislative sessions with a prayer. You can have "In God We Trust" on the currency. You can say "One Nation under God" under the pledge. But you can't have the Ten Commandments posted in a courthouse. So this, I don't think, clarifies in any way the Supreme Court's somewhat muddled jurisprudence in this area. But as predicted, I think the Supreme Court was not going to say that this cross had to be taken down or moved, or that the county was going to have to sell the land that it stands on. So this symbol will stand.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.